Good evening and welcome to Ignite Brisbane. We have 13 speakers tonight that are only speaking for 5 minutes each under the strict Ignite guidelines, where they all have submitted to us 20 slides that auto-advance every 15 seconds.
It's time for the adventure to begin.
Wherever you want to go, you can actually make it happen. And so I did a lot of soul searching. I thought, well, what's life really about?
Ask the man in the mirror.
Why do we choose to escape our life and live it out in 2 days rather than 7? We have a choice.
Today is a gift someone else didn't receive.
Hey, I'm Kath Malloy and we have just finished our first Ignite Talks in Brisbane.
Hello, my name's Julian Mather. I was one of the speakers at the Brisbane Ignite event. If you've got an idea in your head that you want to share with other people, I highly recommend you think about becoming an Ignite speaker. And so you get the speaking exposure, you get a great audience to perform in front of, but you get to refine your material.
Oh my gosh, it was amazing. What an experience, Petra. Wow.
So cool. And you know what? There are about 100 people in the audience. And it's so great to speak to a crowd like that because the feedback is amazing and
Isn't it?
the energy was so
Yeah,
great.
it
wasn't
really
it?
energizes you on stage.
I have been one of the speakers here at Ignite, and it was one of the most terrifying things I've ever done in my life. However, it's been the best thing that I've ever done, and I would definitely say to anybody, give it a go.
Ignite, absolutely awesome time tonight. It's something that I've conquered now, and I'll be back to do it again, and everyone should come and see it.
Great lineup of speakers as well, and really interesting content. Everyone does have a really interesting story, so yeah, get behind these guys.
Great night.
Hey, my name is Brendan, and tonight was the first time I've ever stood up on stage and done any style of public speaking. Ignite's given me that perfect platform to share my story with the public.
Hi, I'm Sue Moore, and this is my second speech at Ignite, and I love the experience, and I encourage everyone to come along.
And this was my first time at Ignite Brisbane. It was amazing. It is an incredibly clever way of teaching you to really structure your speaking and how to bring a really powerful point into 5 minutes.
There were some amazing speakers, and it was just a great event, really well organised, and it was just a fantastic experience, especially to share with my children.
I've just watched 13 amazing speakers. I learned so much from being there this evening. The diversity of the people and the talent that was there was absolutely exceptional. And I'm hopefully going to be one of the next speakers standing up there on stage.
I'm with two amazing audience participants, the lovely Scarlett and Jet. So Scarlett and Jet, what did you think about tonight?
I thought that it was very thoughtful that you bring us here and we really liked it. So thank you.
It's so inspiring to hear the stories and the messages that are shared through these 5-minute presentations.
Life truly is a beautiful mystery to me.
Very diverse, all sorts of backgrounds. I was inspired. I was brought to tears by a couple of them. Get along. It's such a wonderful, entertaining night out.
It was worth every minute of my 5 minutes. If you have something really important to say, then sign up now, follow the Facebook page, Ignite Brisbane, and see what's going on.
I challenge all of you to share the power of storytelling to empower, inspire change in the lives around you and beyond.
So the next one is the 25th of October, and that night we are running our next Ignite Talks. So I'd love to see you join us for Ignite Brisbane. See you soon.
Ignite!